Hello fellow crafters, I'm Beth and I am with Craft-e-Corner. For those that are new here, Craft-e-Corner is an authorized Cricut e-commerce store. Check out Craft-e-Corner.com for some awesome Cricut bundles. Today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable graduation card or gift card holder using the Cricut and the scoring stylus. Here are the supplies I will need for this project. I have paper or cardstock in a variety of graduation prints. I will be using Barely Art craft glue, a Cricut black fine point pen, and a Cricut scoring stylus. Let's jump into the design space. This is the design I created. I will link the project in the description if you would like to use the same one. The envelope part to hold the gift card I found right in Images and sized it to be able to hold a gift card. Then the card part of the design has a few parts. The first is the white card part. This big rectangle is just a guide to know where the folded envelope will be when finished. Next are just 4 circles with a scoring line down the middle. Congratulations sentiment will be written by the Cricut. Operation is set to pen and the style to write it. I have that then attached to the card, the white part. I'm going to cut this out of different papers, so I made them all different colors. Then we'll hit make it. Here's where we'll see all of the different mats. For today, I'm going to be using a light grip blue mat, and I'm going to take my cardstock and place it on my mat in the upper left-hand corner. To make sure it's pushed down nicely, I'm going to use my brayer. I'm going to take my black pen and put it into clamp A. Make sure you push it down and hear that click. I'm going to load my mat. And it will draw and cut. The easiest way to take material off a mat is to flip it over and peel the mat away from the paper. Alright, the next step for the envelope and circles, I am going to change the edit tools to scoring stylus. So what I'm asking for a stylus and a fine point pen. Here's our stylus. It has that pointy end to it and it actually goes right in clamp A. So I'm going to remove the pen and replace it with our stylus. Again, press it down until you hear that click and it will score. For each of these, it will score, it will check the blade, and then it will cut out the circle. To assemble, I'm going to put some glue on each side here and glue that down. For our circles, I'm going to find that score line and fold it right along that score line for each of these 4 circles. Then to put them together, it's kind of like putting a box or closing a box when you don't have any tape. So just fitting them together so each one has a little bit sticking out. It kind of creates this like spiral thing in the middle here. Then I'm going to take the white congratulations part. And I'm adding a little bit of glue onto the back. And then I'm going to place it right on top of the little spiral that we created with the 4 circles. This is what attaches it all together. Just lining it up with those middle score line of the circles. Then I'm going to take my envelope and I will glue it right in the middle here. you're done, you can fit the gift card in here. And then just one by one, you fold this down, and again, just like a box, fit it right in here. And just like that. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below. Do not forget to subscribe and check out Crafty Corner for Cricut bundles.